What's up business buddies, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to import your prospects from Sales Navigator. Let's go on lead search. We're going to choose Sales Director, and as you can see we have many results, and the idea is that we want to filter them as maximum as possible. So what we can do, we can add someone with more experience. We can add this filter with the years, 3 to 5 years, 6 to 10 years, more than 10 years. We can also add, for example, the location. We can choose, for example, Canada. So we can also exclude students, assistants, and retired people. And there we go. As you can see, the list has now gone down a bit, so all we have to do is create a new list and tap the number of prospects that you want to import. It's really important to take the time to exclude and filter your list as much as possible, because the better quality of the list, obviously, the better results you will get later.